Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open your car hood on your Opel Astra J. Let's open the driver area and pull the lever for the car hood. Now go in front of the car and use your hand to open and slide the lever. And after this, open the car hood and support it by the supporting stand, as you can see. Good job. Yeah. Now let's close the car hood. Disassemble the supporting stick and lock it on the bottom side. Now you are able to see again the opening time. Use the lever, slide it and open it, and then close the car hood. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.